Hello, so let's suppose I have two elements that I want to put side by side in my LaTeX document. So at the moment I've got a cat and a flower and they're appearing one on top of each other, but I want them side by side. So to do that, I just wrap a Minipage environment around each element. So you can see here, I begin the Minipage and end the Minipage, and then where I've started the Minipage environment, I've specified how wide I want that first Minipage environment to be. Likewise, if I do the same thing with my second element and just wrap that in a Minipage and click recompile, it's not actually going to quite work how I expect, because although it takes up only half the page, it's not coming side by side. I've got all this blank space over on the right. So in order to rectify that, I'm going to get rid of all the lines and I'm just going to put a percentage after the first Minipage environment before the next one starts. Then if I click recompile, they will come in as expected. Now, because I'm utilizing pictures, and by the way, you could utilize bits of text and they would work in the same way, but because I'm utilizing pictures that each only take up half of the text width, it's effectively only taking up half of the text width of this Minipage environment. So in other words, I just need to change this sizing command in order to get it a little bit bigger how I expect. Now, another couple of things that you can do with this. At the moment, you notice that my elements are aligned towards the middle. Well, if I want them aligned towards the top, I just put square brackets in between the Minipage and where I specified the distance, and then I just go T for top, and if I do that for both of them. Now, if you are going to do this, I recommend that you also put some blank space at the beginning of the element. So you notice here, I'm just going to go V space and then 0 basically, and then that will just ensure that it is going to definitely work. But you notice there that it's aligned towards the top. Equally, I could change them to be aligned towards the bottom just by changing the T into a B, and you can see now that they're aligned at the bottom.